Lesson 10 is all about treating real estate as a real job. One of the biggest challenge ng mga agents natin is that hindi nila sineseryoso yung venture na to and kadalasan ginagawa lang nilang sideline. Do you want to be a successful real estate agent? Then start acting like one. Walang shortcuts dito. Alam nyo, bago ako mag-continue, I believe in sales. There are two types of sales. One is sales by circumstance. Yan yung mga sales mo na kumbaga lumapag na sa lap mo, 'di ba? Ay pre, 'di ba nabebenta ka ng bahay? Bili ako bi. Ay, na ganon. O kaya naman baka may kakilala ka na lumapit bigla sa'yo na o kaya some random stranger saw the logo of your, di ba kung realty ka? Pwede ba bumili ng bahay sa'yo? Circumstance. Okay? But there is also the sales of capacity. Yan yung mga benta na kukuha mo dahil sa skillful ka. So, maganda na meron kang blessing nyo, makakuha ka ng sales of circumstance. Pero hindi consistent yan. Marami tayong mga agents na pumasok, ang daming benta daw. Pero puro sales of circumstance and they never learned afterwards. So, hindi na-update yung skills nila, hindi nag-improve yung capacity nila. So in short, nahirapan sila. At yung iba, nung naubos na yung circumstance, naubos na rin ang benta nila. If I were you, I will take every circumstantial sale as a blessing. Masarap po yung ganyan. But I will also train my capacity so that yung mga sale na hindi nadadaan circumstance, yung mga mahihirap na mga sale, yung mga kailangan mong i-initiate, kailangan talaga magaling ka mag-inform, yung mga bagay na yun, kaya mo ring ma-close. Okay? Because sales is a 9 to 5 work. 6 days a week, sometimes 7. Kami dito sa Community Realty, we believe in the rest day. Diba? The Sabbath day. That is why we work 6 days beyond 9 to 5. pero once matapos kami, on the 7th day, we rest. You need to start, and if you're wondering, how do you do it? Plan your day, plan your week, plan your month, and stick to that plan. Okay? Huwag mo nga hayaan na yung mga bagay, yung mga circumstance, yung mag-take over sa schedule mo kasi hindi mo pinaplano. And at the same time, another tip I have for you, diba? Regarding this, is for you to master social media as well. Try to learn more. Gagawa tayo ng training ng social media soon, pero wala pa, YouTube is your best friend. Napakadaming pwedeng gawin sa YouTube na pwedeng ma-learn. And at least for 2 hours every day, diba? Mag-prospect ka ng mga leads. Kumausap ka ng mga kaibigan, mga musta ka, and hopefully you could be able to land new leads on that. So, diba? Buong araw na trabaho to. Mag-schedule ka ng follow-ups mo. Diba? Aside from the new leads, yung mga follow-ups mo na kinausap mo kahapon. Buong araw to. Pwede ka rin mag-track ng convos mo and learn from every rejection you experienced. Okay? Tapos, after doing those things, mag-join ka ng mga bagong groups sa Facebook man o sa real world and build relationships with people around you. You know, you have to see what we do here as a 9 to 5. This will take most of your time. But it's worth it. In your job right now, hindi ko inano yung job niyo, but your job right now, if you work 9 to 5, you'll get the same amount. But in here, if you land 1 sale a week working 9 to 5, nako, baka sa laki ng sale mo, matalo mo pa yung sweldo mo buong taon. Diba? Mindset. Isipin mo lang, diba? Huwag ka lang mag-abang ng mga circumstantial sale mo. Be more capable. Improve yourself and a lot more time to this. Exert more effort in sales. Ang daming mga tao yumaman sa industriyang ito. Ang dahil mga tao, actually mataas ang percentage sa mga tao na nagsiseryoso sa trabahong to, ang talagang gumaganda buhay. Not many will be billionaires, yes. But in this industry, maraming mga taong pinapakain ng magulang, ang pamilya nila ng negosyong to. Okay? And finally, my piece of advice for you, i-use mo yung daily tracker and fill it up with information na nire-require nun. Lalo na yung time blocker. Punuin mo yan. Maglagay ka lang ng mga 1 to 2 hours per day na rest as lunch. Pero yung buong yan, punuin mo yan. Tapos, i-execute mo. Tapos, i-track mo yung progress mo daily. Kung nagagawa mo ba yung mga habits, nagagawa mo yung mga kailangan mong gawin, tapos i-build mo yung habit. Okay? Remember this. Remember this. If you build this into the habit that it should, kumbaga, if you give it the respect it deserves, real estate can actually be the industry that will make you live your dreams. Make it count. Okay? So once you're done with the activity and fill up their daily task, di ba, yung time blocker mo, you can proceed to the next module. And see you on the next one.